In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Rockstar games to Steam. If you've ever wished, you could start your Rockstar titles directly from your Steam library, use the Steam overlay, or keep everything in one place. This quick setup will do exactly that. We're not moving licenses or linking accounts here. We're simply adding your installed Rockstar game to Steam as a convenient launcher. Before we begin, make sure Steam is open on your desktop and that your Rockstar game is already installed on your PC. Close the game if it's running so Steam can find it cleanly. Start by heading to your Steam library. You'll find Library on the top of the Steam window. Click it and you'll see your collection view. Now, look to the lower left corner of Steam. There's a small Add a Game option. Click that to open a short menu of choices. From that menu, pick Add a non-Steam game. This tells Steam you want to point to a program that's already installed outside of Steam. A window will appear listing programs Steam can detect on your computer. In that window, browse and select your Rockstar title. If you see the game listed, check the box beside it. If you don't see it, click Browse. Navigate to the folder where the game is installed. Common locations include Program Files or Program Files, x86, then Rockstar Games, then the specific game folder. Many games store the main executable inside a bin or game folder. You're looking for the exe that actually launches the game, such as rdr2.exe or GTA 5.exe. If you're unsure, choosing the Rockstar Games Launcher executable is fine too. Steam will start the launcher, which will then start the game. If the game lives on another drive, switch to that drive in the file browser, then continue to the games folder. Once the correct executable is selected and appears in the list with a checkmark, click Add Selected Program. Steam will place a shortcut in your library. You can now launch the game from Steam just like the rest of your collection. It's normal for the Rockstar Games Launcher to open briefly in the background when you start the game this way. That's it. You've successfully connected your Rockstar game to Steam as a non-Steam title. Enjoy centralized launching, easy access, and if enabled, the Steam overlay while you play.